How to make more friends and meet new people? You might want to try to find ways to make more friends. This way, you can spend more time with people who share your interests. You might be able to find a local group where people with interests like yours meet regularly. Try a book club, religious group, or parent meetup. Additionally, you should be honest with yourself about why you care about the person. If you are only bothered by their behavior because it reflects poorly on you, that is not a good enough reason. You should also be prepared for the possibility that the person will not change, no matter how much you talk to them about it. You might want to find a way to talk to them about it that is sensitive to their feelings. You might also want to try to find ways to make more friends so that you can have more people to spend time with. There are many ways to make friends, and you might want to try some of them. You might want to find a local group where people with interests like yours meet regularly. In some cases, it may be best to let the friendship fade naturally. Friendships that are based on common interests are usually the most fulfilling. You might try taking a class to meet new people with similar interests. Just keep your natural behavior with them. You'll find some good people from anywhere. Slowly, you'll have the connection to make some of your friends from there.